today we will have the sales cycle O2C, order to cash.
Okay.
Uh, we will create the we will quickly create the sale item and
Okay.
then one customer and we will proceed with the sales order,
Mm.
uh, then the sales invoice and the payment etc.
Okay. Yeah.
So we will go to list accounting, hmm, items new. So we will create a service for sale.
Mm-hmm.
Let us create one unit also. Unit of measure.
Okay.
So this conversion rate base means uh, this particular, if we want to have the uh, for example, like I'm creating a units of measure and like kilogram, okay, but
Mm-hmm.
uh, it can be converted with the grams also.
Okay.
Okay, so we will enter the conversion rate or what is the base unit here,
Mm-hmm.
and then and in the below line we will enter the uh, another unit type on in which
Okay.
we will convert this
Oh,
main unit
convert.
type into. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
So, but we will not like tagging any conversion rate here, so we will keep it as one.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. Federal PK Canada
Okay.
display name application services. So we have this,
Mm-hmm.
okay, number.
Yeah.
Uh, okay, we can tag the like
The
different prices for the different currencies also.
different currency. Okay.
Okay, we want to like tag it at the item level only. So
Okay.
like for US dollar, it will be something,
Okay.
or we have this Canadian currency. So let me take
Mhm.
mm, house. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So we don't, what is the quantity on the top? Do we have to change that or?
Yeah, yeah. No, it's basically the uh, table only. Okay.
Okay.
So so see, the quantity means this table is for the calculating the discounts. Okay.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
Okay. So let's say at which level we want to calculate the discounts by line quantity.
mm-hmm.
Okay. Whatever the quantity mentioned in the transaction line,
Okay.
it will calculate discounts on that.
Okay.
Another option is by overall item quantity, by
Oh,
overall
okay.
payment quantity, or by overall schedule quantity. So there are different uh, mm, like parameters of the discount.
Okay. Okay.
So basically, this is uh, to calculate the discounts. So
Okay.
we will remove that. Quantity pricing schedule, pricing group. Okay. In accounting, again we will map the income
Mm-hmm.
account. Okay. Income.
Okay.
So let's we are taking the sales,
Okay.
not taxable. So in the sales transaction, there is no option uh, generating accruals. Okay, like yesterday we see in the purchase inventory, sorry, like in the while creating the purchase item,
Yeah.
we haven't checkbox here, so we can uh, generate the accruals at the item
Right.
receipt level. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yeah.
at sales order level, there is no such option there in the Netsuite.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So the can be fulfilled and received is only for purchase we used it, right?
Yeah,
For only
it
purchase.
can be fulfilled. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you can create a transaction which is item fulfillment, but
Oh, okay. Okay.
there is not going to be any GL impact, any
Oh,
any
okay. I
posting
see.
in the books. Yeah, any
Oh,
posting
yeah.
in the
Because
books of
it's
account.
not something which we receive, right? It's a
Right.
service.
Yes,
Mhm.
yes.
Okay.
Uh, we will create a customer now list relationship,
Mhm.
uh, customers new, ship rocket Inc.
Mhm.
subsidiary. So again, there are some fields which we can like enter, or we can also leave blank also.
Okay.
So okay. So
So
basically,
what's that the status customer closed
yeah.
the
So
company?
so there are different status. Okay. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so the when we create a new customer, the default status is customer close one. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Because that customer is our like let's say we are creating a customer, so obviously
Oh,
we
we have
have
one. We have
yeah,
one.
we are taking this we are basically giving our services to the customer. Okay, but
Right, right, right.
this yeah this status basically comes from the CRM cycle.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, from
Okay,
the lead, maybe lead
yeah,
prospect,
yes,
right?
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah, yeah.
correct. Let's say I create a lead. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
until my lead is converted into a prospect, then prospect is converted into a customer, then only this status will change.
Oh, okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I see.
If
Okay.
if I like if in the at the lead level,
Mm-hmm.
I create a new prospect. Okay,
Yeah.
and I I I change the customer sorry status to the lost customer. So there
Mm-hmm.
won't be any customer. Okay, it's just the lead is lost.
Right, right, right.
Default receivable account receivable. Mm. If we have the tax information of the customer, we can tag here, like tax
Mm-hmm.
registration number,
Mm.
mm, address, we can enter.
But we have to add the currency in which the customer can make the payment, or?
So we can like take the different currencies.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say we are raising the customer to the mm, in invoice in the USC. Okay, but
Okay.
okay, and either customer pays in the US dollar or in the
Mhm.
Canadian dollar or in any other currency. In our
Okay.
system, we will receive as CAD only.
Oh, okay. I see. Mm-hmm.
It will get converted.
It will get converted. Okay, okay.
Uh, Transaction, sales, and enter sales order.
Okay.
I'm changing the currency and I will create a sales order in USD.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm. So sales order is created once the customer like asks for the service, right? Like they approach you, or they have placed an order, or they have, after that you initiate this process.
Yes, yes. Okay. Sales order, not just service, we can create for the like goods also.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, like it is same in the P2P cycle, procure to pay cycle. Okay, like there
Mm-hmm.
we where there we give a purchase order to our vendor. Okay,
Right.
right. So here we give a sales order to our customer that this is a sales order.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mm. Or if there is like we are not giving the sales order, it can be any uh agreement, any contract with the um,
Mm-hmm.
customer. Okay, on
Mm-hmm.
which services will be given. But that agreement is like outside the Netsuite, and we just can have that agreement in somewhere in the file cabinet. We can upload that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
So sale item 01. Okay, so we have created the sales order.
Yeah.
Now we'll open a customer and we'll show something. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now you can see system has automatically taken action.
All right. Okay. Exchange
Okay.
rate. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this is my customer. I go down to the financial information.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So as you can see, my
Oh, okay. The currency conversion, right?
right. Um, let me show you. So in CAD it is 1307.1.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. If you check with the actual exchange rate, come around near that.
Okay.
Okay. That's- Yeah. So you can see here also unbilled order is
Mm-hmm.
in 1307.1.
So that's in Canadian dollars. Yeah.
Yes, yes, correct.
Yeah.
Okay, now we will bill this sales order. Or before
Mm-hmm.
we bill, like we can create a deposit also. Uh,
Okay.
so deposit is basically transaction. used to accept the advance from the customer.
Okay.
Okay, so we will
Mm-hmm.
go to the create deposit.
Mm-hmm.
The customer deposit is so let's say we are so we are taking the 50% of the advance amount.
Okay.
Okay, save actions. Okay. So it will go to the undeposited to the customer
Okay.
deposit. So
Customer
customer
deposit.
deposit is basically the GL automatically GL created by the Netsuite. So all the advance will go under that GL only.
Okay. So under customer
Okay.
deposit. Mhm.
Yeah. And the reason why it is showing on the undeposited funds instead of bank because
Ranjit,
we
breaking off in between. I'm not able to hear you properly.
okay, wait. Okay. Now it's better.
Yeah. I think
Yeah.
now it's okay. Yeah.
So
So we accepted 50% of the payment from the
yes.
customer.
So
Yeah.
okay. So as of now, it is not shown into the like bank account. It has
Mhm.
gone to the undeposited funds.
Oh,
Mm,
okay.
okay. Mm,
Mhm.
but usually it's not the case. Let me check the customer phone. Screen fields. Count. So and under this tab, okay, this option where you can have your all recent record.
Mhm.
Okay, like
Yeah.
you are working on some transaction or record, and you like close it. If you want
Mhm.
to quickly open that, you can just go there and open
So,
that.
okay.
Okay. Once
Mhm.
you log out, it will go. Right? It will not show
Okay.
there. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm. So as you can see, we this is deposited into undeposited funds. We can select the
Undeposited
account
fund.
also.
Yeah.
So we will select our this account,
Mm-hmm.
and then we will say,
Mm. Yeah. Bonus
mm,
deposit. Mm-hmm.
yeah. So now we will check the jail impact. So jail impact is coming as 653.55 Canadian dollar.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So in
Mm-hmm.
in in our bank, we have received
We
this
have received.
payment by converting the currency.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So basically, exchange rate is auto-generated, or we can enter our own exchange rate also.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Uh, and
So customer deposits is another GL account, right? Customer
yes, it's
deposits.
another GL account.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, now moving next, we will create a bill from the sales order.
Okay.
Basically, the sales invoice.
That's invoice.
Yes, invoice.
Okay.
So all the fields are already there. We can invoice number is auto-generated. We can't.
Okay.
So there are some settings which is showing that we can't add the invoice number of our own. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it has to be
Okay.
auto-generated only.
Okay.
So automatically it is showing amount due as 500.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, now the GL impact will be the our accounts receivable to the our income account.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, and again, if like the P2P cycle, if I want to enter the uh, like yesterday we have entered a vendor credit note. Here we can
Mm-hmm.
also enter a
Yeah.
credit note as well. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Now we will accept the further payment. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
but this time we will not going to select the bank account. We will have the undeposited funds only. So what does it mean, undeposited funds? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say a customer has given a check payment. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So a check might take a couple of days to reflect.
Yeah.
Yes. So uh, so basically there is an option that we are entering a payment entry in the books of account. So
Mm-hmm.
the customer balance can be it can be fully we can accept the payment from the customer, but
Yeah.
instead of showing into the account, we
Mm-hmm.
can show into the undeposited funds.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and once we will save it in the undeposited funds. So how we
Mhm.
can uh, afterwards deposit the same into the bank
Deposit.
account.
Okay.
So my entry is undeposited funds to account receivable.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and so we will go to the transactions,
Mm-hmm.
bank, and make deposits.
Make deposits. Okay.
Okay, so earlier the entry which we have entered, okay, is the so for receiving the customer we have entered the customer accept customer payment. Okay,
Okay.
now
Mm-hmm.
now we are entering the make deposit entry. So bank make deposit.
Make deposits. Okay.
So automatically all the entries.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There is no need to select any customer here. So
Okay.
let's say there are 1,000 entries lying in the undeposited funds. So
Yeah.
all will come here. All will.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. So you just have to select and then transaction, transaction bank make deposit.
Make deposits. Mm-hmm.
Uh, Select this and save.
Okay. Subsidiary, then all of the undeposited funds here can show up, right? That's what you're
Yes.
saying.
Yes. Correct.
Mhm. Mhm. Okay.
Okay. Now we will go back to the invoice which we have entered. Create invoices list.
Mhm.
Now, under the related report,
Mhm.
uh, you can see there is a transaction deposit application,
Yeah.
but we haven't entered any deposit application. So how it has come, from where it came? Okay. So you remember we have entered a advance payment, customer deposit.
Yes, $500. Yeah.
Yes.
Mhm.
So basically there are features in the NetSuite, like both in the case of advance payment to the vendors, or either
Mhm.
we receive the advance from our customers. So
Yeah.
once the invoice is created or the
Mhm.
vendor bill is entered into the NetSuite, it
Yeah.
automatically gets applied.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay, it automatically gets applied and mm, and linked with the invoice.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, but there has to be a sales order or purchase order. If there is no link, it won't apply.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay.
Yeah, for example, like I create a standalone invoice. Okay, I go
Yeah.
to a transaction
Mhm.
and I I will create sorry, sales. I will create a invoice.
Create invoice. Okay. Mhm.
Okay, and separately I will enter a advance payment from the customer also. So
A customer.
how
Okay.
this yeah, so how the system will recognize that this invoice is related to that advance payment. Okay,
Mhm. Mhm.
because there
Mhm.
is no link. The sales order
Right.
is our link.
Right. Right.
So in that case, we have to manually apply that.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay, we'll take one example of that also. So we will go to the customer. First, I will deposit a record customer deposit. Okay,
Mhm.
my customer name is Rocket. So 250 Canadian dollars.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. So you can see there is an option of sales order. So we are not mapping the sales order.
Right, right.
Uh, we will just save that.
Mm-hmm.
Now we will go back and create an invoice.
Mm-hmm.
Check. Okay. Sale item 01 250. Save. Now the status is open. Okay.
Yeah.
And we
Mm-hmm.
have the customer deposit here. So,
Right.
yeah. So we have to enter a deposit application. Okay.
Oh, okay, okay.
There is
Yeah, because
another
there's no
trans-
relation between the
Yeah,
direct.
there is another transaction which is deposit application. But
Okay.
deposit application, you will like we will not find with any navigation. Okay,
Oh, okay.
we have to open the customer deposit only and
Mm-hmm.
click on the apply button.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay.
Once we will click on the apply button, we will get the deposit application.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay,
Positive.
but if like any other transaction, you will find with the navigation also, but
Mm-hmm.
there is no navigation for this.
Oh, for the deposit application. Okay.
Yes, you have to
Mm.
open that deposit only.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, automatically we are once we click on the apply button, we will get the
Mhm.
invoices
Okay.
against which we want to apply. We'll
Yeah.
click on to this apply button and then we'll save.
Okay.
Okay. Now if I change my refresh my screen, yeah, it is
Mm.
shown as paid in full.
Oh, okay. I see. Okay. So this is the other way to apply the payment to the customer, right? If there's no sales order.
Yes. If there's a no sales order and we have received the advance.
We have received the advance. Okay. Yeah.
Yes. If there is
Right.
no
Right.
advance, then we will simply, if there is no advance, then we will simply create a invoice, then
Mm-hmm.
accept the payment.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So
I see.
once like if there is no advance, then and to normally receive the payment against any invoice, we will
Mm-hmm.
enter the sales. Sorry, we will enter the customer and accept
Mm-hmm.
customer payment.
Okay. Okay.
So then
Okay.
I will enter the accept customer payment after my selecting my customer. All the pending invoices, due invoices will appear here.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is something like Netsuite has each type of transaction for different processes.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Okay.
like for advance, there is going to be a different transaction. For receiving the payment, uh, there is going to be a different transaction. Okay. So
Yeah.
it mainly depends on the type of like and accounting entry you want to create.
Mm-hmm. I
Mm,
see. I see. Okay.
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 Okay. Let's say I am receiving advance payment from the customer, but
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to show into the my uh, liability side. Okay. I just want to directly show into the my customer account. So I
Okay.
can enter that customer payment also. In that case, See, I will select the customer. uh, okay, now there is no
Mm-hmm.
invoices. Okay,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
I can enter a amount
Mm-hmm.
and save it. System will allow to save.
Okay.
But there are no invoices. So what will happen? The payment will receive without
Mm-hmm.
applying to any invoice. And once there is a invoice in the future, then we
Mm.
have to manually adjust both.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah,
So
so then you just accept the payment on the in the system and
yeah.
don't apply.
Yeah. So once we will like enter the payment. Okay. So my
Mm.
GL impact will be the uh, like bank to customer. Okay.
Right.
Bank to
Right.
yeah, yeah, bank to trade receivable. But
Mm-hmm.
in the record customer deposit case, it was
Mm-hmm.
bank to customer deposit.
Right. Right. Right.
Right, right. So
Oh.
basically, that entry will not impact that customer deposit entry is not going
Mhm.
to be shown in any customer ledger or neither in the customer statement.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I see. Okay.
Mhm. Because there is no trade receivable GL is tagged.
Yeah, there is no, it will not show in the account receivable, you mean?
Yes, then we have to enter the customer payment.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so basically the type of transaction depends on the actual uh, processes used in any organization. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
or also the end result of the accounting entry.
Right. Right. Okay. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. So that each organization may have their own policies with respect to that, right? Like, so, mm, how to apply payments. So they may already be having a process for that, right?
Yeah, see, I'm from the main like core accounting background only. So
Mm-hmm.
basically, what happened is I receive a advance from my customer. Okay,
Yeah.
until
Mm-hmm.
I deliver the services, that amount is
Right.
a liability to me.
Correct. Correct. Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
So ideally, it will come into the other current liability,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
mm, which is
Yeah.
our customer deposit GL. Okay.
Right.
If
Right.
if if I if I open the chart of account, so as you can see, customer deposit is coming under the other current liability.
Of other current liability. Okay. Okay.
Right.
I see.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Mm. Same way, when we give up like advance payment to our vendor, that will
Mm-hmm.
come under a other current asset.
Other current asset. Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, so the standard accounting principle is to have that advances in shown under the balance sheet in the current liability account.
In the current liability account. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, we will check some reports now
Mhm.
for the
So that
sales
so
or
that so what we just now did is the order to cash. Is this process order
yes,
to cash?
yes, it's order to cash.
Order to cash. Okay. Okay.
So we will check some reports. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so customer receivables, uh, So there are different reports available under the customer receivables, like
Mm-hmm.
customer by sales rep, customer by territory, customer profitability.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but as of now, like, we will get the data either in the AR register. So there is no aging as
Mm-hmm.
there is no due.
Yeah.
So we will check the AR register and we will also check the uh, AR payment history by invoice.
Mm-hmm.
So let me select the subsidiary, VK Nova Scotia. This is my AR register, the transaction related to this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So the invoice, yeah, the two invoices. Yeah, so it's showing the deposit application also,
yeah,
right?
but not deposit.
Hmm.
Deposit not shown here.
Yeah, yeah, deposit is not shown. That's right.
Yeah. Hmm. So let's take an example. I haven't entered the deposit application yet. Okay.
Mm.
My
Mm-hmm.
my I have only two invoices. One is this 1307 and one is 250. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And there is no deposit application entry and no payment entry.
Mm-hmm.
But I do have the thousand like dollar in the deposits. So
Mm-hmm.
so
Mm-hmm.
so this AI register is not showing the actual picture.
Mm.
Okay.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Because it is showing me that I have to receive this one 557 from the customer, but customer has paid thousand in advance. So it
Thousand
is
in,
not showing there.
it's not
So
showing.
that is something you can say a limitation of the Netsuite that
Mm.
the only the transactions which are mapped to the account receivable GL will
Mm-hmm.
come
Mm-hmm.
here. Basically, the
Okay.
account receivable type of GL,
Ah, okay. Okay.
okay, will come here.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, that's right.
So AR register is there, then we will see the this AR payment history by invoice. So under this transaction, under
Mm-hmm.
sorry, in this report, we will get the by invoice by history.
Oh, by invoice numbers. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
Like for example, this is the invoice number. This was the invoice, then the credit memo is raised.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is invoice. Like we have entered this invoice, so invoice is there. Then
Yeah.
deposit application is there. Then payment is there.
Payment as well. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
and same report we can see uh, under the customer receivables, AR
Mm-hmm.
payment, SCY payment also.
Mm-hmm.
So here we will get according to the payment transaction. Either is
Okay.
deposit application or it is payment.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. We can check some other reports also under the sales. So sales by customer, sales by item, uh, open invoices we can see. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Like sales by
Item.
item.
Yeah.
Uh, so my weekend hours Scotia. So if like management want to see, okay, what is my
Mm-hmm.
subscription services sale? So we can sell, okay. Uh, is like is there any support services provided by the company? So my
Mm-hmm.
sale from the support services. So we can have like we can view the sales on the LOBs wise.
Oh, okay. Okay. So,
Okay.
like item summary, sales by item summary.
Yeah.
So that's a
We can
description
create
of the item.
yeah. Like a company deals in five LOBs, five type of services. So we can create
Mm.
an item for each type of service,
For each
like
type, yeah.
subscription, service support, license
Mm.
fee, and we can
Okay.
view how much it is like on the monthly basis. What
Right.
are the
Right.
revenue for each line of business?
Okay. Okay. I see. Okay. I saw another one that sales tax US. So if you scroll down on this one, on the reports, there
Okay.
is
Yeah, yeah.
some, yeah, sales tax US. Yeah.
Yeah. So, like, there is some report available
Mm-hmm.
on this sale tax US. Okay. We can see the sale tax on sales or sale
Mm-hmm.
tax by tax item. So we'll
Okay.
click on this. I don't know why either I will get any transaction here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Because we haven't take any sale tax on our transaction.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. But once we have, we can check the same into this report.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.